Hello students, I, Gulab Shabanu, welcome you all to the online classes organized by GT Mother International School. This particular video is on the poem Nobody's Friend, Unit 8, Marigold, a textbook in English for class 5. Okay, so let's get started. Here the introductory part says, do you like making friends? I know you all like making friends. Do you like to share your things with others? For this, I think some of you like to share your things and some do not like to share your things. Next is, do you think there is any child who has no friends? For the answer of this question, we have to read out the poem first. Okay? Let's see. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. Okay. So this poem is a great lesson to teach the habit of sharing. This poem is written by Enid Blyton, as you can see here. So this is written by Enid Blyton and it is a very valuable poem. This poem begins by telling us about a little girl who doesn't like to share her things. Okay, what she is saying here? It tells us the example of things like she has a book but she doesn't lend them to anyone. Lend means to allow somebody to use something for a short time. Okay, so she has a book but she doesn't allow anyone to use it. Similarly, the girl owns a doll. She has a doll but she doesn't allow anyone to play with her doll. What does it mean? It means that she is not a friend to anyone. Okay. Now let's see the next stanza. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle but he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. Okay. Then the poem tells us about a little boy. Here, the poem tells us about a little boy. In the first stanza, the poem was telling about a little girl. Now here is a little boy in the second stanza. This little boy also has some toffees. But instead of sharing them with everyone, he eats them up. What is written here? He had some toffee and ate every bit. Means he has some toffees, but instead of sharing them with anyone, he eats them up. Ate every bit of it. Okay. Similarly, the boy also has a tricycle. Tricycle means a bicycle with 3 wheels. Okay. So he had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. Means he has a tricycle which he just rides alone. He doesn't lend it to anyone. Then what does it mean? He is not a friend to anyone. Okay. Further, he has some, what he has? He has some toys. He also has some toys. As you can see here, he never let anyone play with his train. You can see in the picture, the boy is having a tricycle, a bicycle with 3 wheels, that is a tricycle, and in that tricycle there is a basket in which he kept his toy train. Okay, so the boy has a toy train and just plays with it. He plays it with himself only. He doesn't let anyone else play with his strings, which means he is not anybody's friend. Okay? Now, here. But I will share all of my sweets with you, my ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here is half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. So, here is mentioned, but I will. Who is saying I will? The poet. And who is the poet? Enid Blyton. And she is there. Just beside Enid Blyton, written the word Enid Blyton, the name, there is a girl in the picture. She is the poet. Okay? So Enid Blyton is saying, the poet is saying that I will share all of my sweets with you. The poet tells us that she is a person who has sweets and she will share them with everyone. She then goes on to say that she has also books. She has also some books, okay, and balls, which is ready to lend others. She is ready to give it to others. Whatever she is having, she is ready to give it to others. She wants to share it with others. Okay. The poet also has games, which she likes sharing with others. As it is written here, my ball and my books and my games I will lend. So she is ready to give, she is ready to share with each and everything whatever she is having. You know? Okay. Moreover, the poet also goes on to say that even if she has one apple, here is half my apple and half my cake. She is having one apple. Okay. She will share the half as well. If I will have one apple, we will say that we are having only a single apple. So it is for me only. But she is saying that I will share half of my apple, half of my cake. In addition, the poet has a cake, which she is ready to share as well with others. So this shows that the poet is a very sharing person. She is a very sharing person. Finally, when she says all about sharing, she concludes by saying that she is indeed your friend. This way, we know that as the poet is sharing her things with others, she is a good friend. Right? To sum it up, the poem shows us how sharing can help us go a long way. It is a great habit which will help us to make friends. Okay, so Nobody's Friend is a poem which teaches us a great lesson. It tells us about the concept of sharing. This poem will help us to understand the happiness that comes with sharing. It does so by giving the example of kids who do not share, right? We came across children who did not prefer sharing their things with anyone. Thus, they fail at making true friends and are nobody's friend. So such people cannot establish a long-lasting friendship with anyone. So they end up alone without any friends. However, if we look at people who love to share their things, they are the ones who can easily establish a friendship with anyone. They do not hesitate in sharing their things and help others indeed. So, the poem tells us that such sharing people get a lot of friends in their lives. Thus, the moral is that one should always share their things and make others happy. This was it. Thank you.